Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Learning technology. Think and do for everyone, especially for students and kids. We are from the group of PakRoboThink&Do. We are the engineers from UT Lahore, Pakistan, from the Department of Mechatronics. What is our motive? Our motive is basic learning and motivating to do and implement what's in your mind. Why technology learning is important? Technology is upgrading and there is a need to learn and implement technical things in our daily life to make it easy for all, especially for the prosperity of our Muslim community. Technology always attracts, and instead of purchasing from other countries, just make it yourself. Today students are wasting time by making funny videos on many platforms. It is very helpful and easy for students of any age and people who are interested to do the technical things. Platform that we use to learn is used for training purpose all around the world is Arduino. Arduino is a basic platform, or you can say an electronic device that can be programmed through computer to do what in your mind. Now coming towards the pin configuration of the Arduino. Arduino has 14 digital pins, 3 ground pins, 1 power pin having 5 volt, 6 analog pins, 1 USB port for programming purpose from computer or laptop, and 1 external power that is from 9 volt adapter. First, you program Arduino from computer and then use it anywhere without computer. Now let me tell you about the difference between the analog and the digital signal that are commonly used in the Arduino. The analog signal varies from 0 volt to 5 volt and also in between them like 1.2 volt, 3.3 volt, 4.9 volt, etc. However, the digital signals are only 0 volt or 5 volt. Let us start with a simple project. The project is to make a counter for the learning purpose. In this video, I will give you complete info related to its hardware and software. That is, where to purchase hardware like from Draz and what it will cost and where to download its software. The blue cable in the figure is connected to a laptop. Here it is Arduino that is connected to laptop from this cable. A breadboard and jumper wires and 7-segment display. These jumper wires are connected with Arduino through these small resistors for proper working. Now take a look how it works before we go in detail. Now I will tell you how to make its hardware and how to program it. It's very interesting. Let's start. First of all, the hardware you require is Arduino Uno with the USB cable and AC to DC adapter 9 volt, almost having the 1 ampere. The third thing is the jumper wires. The fourth is the breadboard. I have shown you about its link in the Daraz, so you can purchase it from there. The other thing is the breadboard. Now let me tell you about the wiring of the breadboard. That is very simple. You can see the breadboard look like this picture as shown in 1. However, the connections are hidden and I have marked green lines as shown in the figure 2 that are internally interconnected. It will help you in making and wiring. The fifth thing is the resistor having the value of 470 ohm and the wattage is 0.25, or you can say having the wattage of quarter watt. The sixth thing is the 7-segment display, normally available in the common anode model. Now let me tell you the details of 7-segment display. It has basically 10 pins, 5 above and 5 below. When it glows, it looks like this. It may be green, blue, yellow or red. The standard labeling of 7-segment display is shown here in the figure. This top LED is denoted as A, this is B, C, D, E, F and G. This is basically the standard labeling. Here we also use this labeling in our program. Now let me show you the symbol that is used in the electronics is at the top of the slide. Here the 7 LEDs are present in this display as shown in pink color. The symbol of LED in electronics is here with 2 terminals, anode and cathode. Anode is a positive terminal, or you can say VCC, or simply 5 volts, whereas the cathode is a negative terminal where you can touch the ground and it having the volt of 0 volt. Now let me give you an idea of about the 2 types of 7-segment displays that are available in market. One is common cathode model and the other one is the common anode model. The common point of the first one at the left of the figure is common cathode. In this common cathode, you have to connect the middle pin to the ground, or you can say to the 0 volt, whereas the common point of the second one on the right is the common anode, that is you will connect the 5 volt to any of its 2 middle pins. Now let me show about its pin configuration of the 7-segment display. This is the pin configuration of 7-segment display. For common anode, if we give 0 volt to pin A, it will glow the LED located at the top of 7-segment display. Similarly, if we give the 0 volt to B in the common anode model, it will glow the LED located at the B position. This B position is located here. Now you can see, if you want to display 0, 1, 2 onwards to 9, what you have to do? For displaying 0, you will give 0 volt to A, B, C, D, E and F, whereas G should be high, or you have to give the 5 volts in order to display 0 and the 7-segment display. Now the 7th thing you required is the laptop having the internet. Now let me share you the list of all components. This Arduino USB cable, AC to DC adapter, jumper wires, any small breadboard, resistors, 7-segment display, common anode, and the laptop having the internet. This all cost of about 3000 Pakistani rupees. Now coming towards the software side, here is the download link www.arduino.cc. From here you can download the software for the system you are using. For example, I have a Windows 7, so I click here the Windows 7. After that, clicking, the software will be downloaded automatically. When download finish, proceed with the installation step as shown here. Shortcut on the desktop will be created after installation, so open it. Now connect the Arduino with the laptop. After opening the software, go to the tools, select board as shown in the picture Arduino Uno. After selecting the board, select the ports as shown here. Now the board is ready to program from computer. Now copy the code from the video description below and paste in the window as shown here. Now let me tell you about the program that we have pasted in the software. First of all, I have introduced some constants. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, and so on, G is equal to 8. What this means? It means that I have to connect the pin number 2 of the Arduino with the A pin of the 7-segment display. Similarly, the pin number 3 of the Arduino have to be connected with the B pin of the 7-segment display. This is how the Arduino pins are directly attached with the 7-segment display through a resistor in series. These resistors are used to limit the current going in the LED of the 7-segment display. For the easy understanding, I have colored the wires. For example, the blue wire you can see on the 7-segment display, and the resistor in series is connected with the 2 pin of the Arduino, and similarly 3 pin you can see the green line connected with the resistor in series, and 3 will be connected further with the Arduino pin. This is all about the wiring you can easily carry it out from the Arduino board. Now coming towards the setup of the program, here I have defined the Arduino pins as an output port. This Arduino language, for declaring an output port, the pin mode command is used. The pin mode command, and I have declared A as an output port, similarly B as an output port of the Arduino, and similarly all pins of the Arduino I have declared as an output port. After that, I have created a loop. In this loop, I will display 0 to 9 and with a delay. This you can see in the delay command. I have defined the delay as 1000 milliseconds previously in the start of the program. 1000 milliseconds is equal to 1 second. So 1 to 9, all these will be displayed after a 1 second. Now let us discuss the 0 function, how the 0 is displayed. For this purpose, I have to give a 0 command to A alphabet so that it is a common anode 7 segment. Therefore, if I give the A to 0 volt to A pin of the 7 segment, it will glow. Similarly, if I give a low signal to pin B of the 7 segment, it will glow. So for creating a 0, I have to give low to A to F, whereas for the G I have to give high, so it will not glow. So to creating a 0, I have to give this command. Similarly, if I have to display 1, I have to give high to A, high to D, high to E, F, G, and I have to give low to B and C. So if giving the low signal to B and C, it will glow. So it will create a 1. After all this, you have understand the code a little bit. Now coming towards the compiling and uploading the program to the Arduino. First of all, for compiling and verification of the program, here you can see a tick symbol on the top left corner of the window. You have to press this in order to verify the program. It will automatically detect the error in the program and will give you the feedback. After that, you will see that if there is no error, then here you can see done compiling will be indicated. After that, to upload the program to Arduino board, you have to click this command. After clicking this command, you will see at the bottom of this panel, you can see it will written done uploading. After that, it means that your program has successfully uploaded to your board. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you learned a lot about Arduino and how to program it and how to interface 77 display. Anything you can think, you can do it. I am here to learn you about it. This is my first video, so please motivate me in making such content by liking and subscribing my channel. Thank you.